Are you ready to supercharge your own work with a custom AI assistant? Hey, I'm Dan Wilson, and I have spent years helping companies bring their products to market. And every day I use AI to get more work done faster. And in this course, I'm going to show you the exact steps you need to follow to get your own AI assistant, one that understands your company, your products, your audience, and also speaks just like you do. This is beyond a prompt writing course. In this course, we're going to show you exactly what you need to do to build your own AI assistant that puts out work that you can actually use. I've designed this course for marketers, product people, founders, operators, and those who've used ChatGPT a little bit and are now ready to go deeper. So if you've struggled getting AI to produce content that actually works for your business, this course was designed for you. So let's build your assistant together. I'll see you inside.